Welcome back. The Supreme Court has asked the AG to submit working plans for auction of already extracted ore. The hearing will come up before the Supreme Court on 11th November. The court has also stated that ore should be used for domestic steel industry and not to be exported. Petitioners in Goa mining case, Goa Foundation has suggested a 5-member committee on deciding cap on iron ore production for Goa. The committee will be headed by the CEC.
The Apex Court had asked the petitioner Goa Foundation and CEC to recommend names for the monitoring committee. Following are the names recommended by the petitioner. Nominee of Chairman CEC, Dr. Madhav Gadgil, Dr. S.C. Dhiman, Dr. C.R. Babu, B. Vijayan. Goa Foundation has prayed before the Supreme Court that all leases in Goa have expired from 21st November 2007 after the period of first renewal ended. It also mentioned that deemed extension status is therefore in force, which as per the present government is illegal. The petitioner requested the Apex Court to direct the authorities to cancel all mining leases within Mahaday and Netravali wildlife sanctuaries. It further mentioned that court should direct closure and cancellation of all mining leases within 2 kilometers of the safety zone of boundaries. It is also stated by the petitioner that no mining will resume in the state of Goa till an expert body carries out a macro EIA study and is able to arrive at a reasonable cap on extraction and production of iron ore, keeping in view the above principle of intergenerational equity. It is also mentioned that all the present mining leases in the state of Goa be terminated. Fresh leases should be given by a transparent process of competitive bidding in non-ecologically sensitive areas, which would then apply for environmental clearances from an independent regulatory body and operate their mines, subject to the principle of intergenerational equity. Advocate General has been asked to submit working plans on auction of dumps. The hearing will come up before the Supreme Court on 11th November. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Congress MLA Vishwajit Rane has apologized for his Facebook comment on Rahul Gandhi. Facebook comment said Jyoti Aditya Scindia was a better choice as future PM than Rahul Gandhi. Vishwajit Rane cleared his page manager had posted the comment without his consent. He has been sacked. Rane was apologetic towards party for this guffaw while confirming his loyalty towards Rahul Gandhi and Congress party.
Congress MLA Vishwajit Rane's Facebook post shocked many on Wednesday. It said, country needs a young Prime Minister like Jyotiraditya Scindia who can connect with young India, a great background and class. When we contacted Vishwajit Rane, he clarified that his page manager posted the comment without his consent. Rane has sacked his page manager, but has also apologized as the post on his profile created confusion and raised a question on his loyalty towards Congress party.
कितें तरी मिसअंडरस्टँड हांव गेले 8-10 दीस ना म्हाजो फेसबुकाचो अकाउंट पळय इट वॉज नॉट एक्टीव फॉर द लास्ट 8-10 डेज म्हाजो जो फेसबूक फेस पेज जो मॅनेज करता हे जनरली आमचे कडेन इंटरेक्शन जावन ते फेस पेजार आमी जे स्क्रिप्ट आमी अप्रूव करता ते घालपाचो तेंचो हे आसता मॉडॅलिटी पूण काल म्हाका दिसता हे तेजो पर्सनल व्यू हांवें ताका काल सॅक केला हो भुरगो हांवें अहमदाबादचो भुरगो राजेश त्रिवेदी म्हणून आनी तो म्हाजो पळयतालो मुंबयचो तो आनी तो हांवें काल पासकोड बी चेंज केला आनी म्हाका तरी इट्स क्वायट एम्बॅरेसींग सिच्युएशन बट डेफिनेटली आय हॅड नो सच थॉट एंड सो सच एग्रेसीव व्यू म्हाजे व्यू जर पळयल्यार तुमी फेसबुकार व्हेरी रॅशनल एक्चुअली म्हाजो एक मित्र आसा शिवसेनान आनी तेणी म्हाका इंट्रोड्यूस केल्लो की हो बरो प्रोफेशनल भुरगो बरो वळखीचो कॉलेजाचोच मित्र जो आयज MLA आहा पूण म्हाका दिसता की खंय ना खंय कितें मिस्टेक जाला तें जावं न्हय आनी म्हाका तरी दिसता की आय शूड बी अपॉलॉजेटीक टू द पार्टी फॉर सच अ स्टेटमेंट दो इट इज नॉट माय स्टेटमेंट इट हॅज बीन रॉंगली पोस्टेड ऑन माय पोस्ट आनी तें म्हाका दिसता परत केन्ना जावचें ना हांव जर राहुल गांधी बरोबर म्हाका अधिकारूच ना ह्या पक्षान रावपाक म्हाजो टोटल फूल फेथ मिसेस गांधी आनी तेंचे फॅमिली वांगडा सदां आसा तुमकां खबर आहा म्हाजे व्यू हांव जेन्ना इंडिपेंडंट निवडून आयलो बी पयलें हांवें तेंचेच कडेन
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.